To use pattern as the screen lock on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap screen lock type. If currently you are using a secure screen lock type, enter your screen lock. Since this phone is using PIN numbers as the current screen lock, then enter the PIN number. Select pattern. Draw your new pattern. Tap continue. Draw your pattern again. And then tap confirm. Now turn off the screen and then turn it on again. Swipe the screen. You can see that now you have to draw your pattern before you can use your phone. Draw your pattern. If you draw the right pattern, your phone will be unlocked and you can then use it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.